Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you another hairstyle. This one is a all down hairstyle with just like a braided headband look. So the first thing you're going to do is part the upper part of your hair to get it out of the way. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but you want to leave enough down that it gives you a thick enough braid. So here I'm making sure that it's even on both sides. I know I'm quite picky with what I just put up, but the end result, it will make a difference. So it doesn't have to be perfect when you clip it up, just get it out of the way. Now you're going to take a section over your ear. So the hair that's over your ear, you're going to grab a chunk of hair. And you're going to braid it. Just a simple braid. This part takes the longest, depending on your hair length. My hair is quite long, so it took a little bit of time. So when I show you the other side, I fast forward through it. I like these quick and easy hairstyles because they look put together, but they don't take forever to do. Now, you can curl your hair, you can wave your hair, you can leave it straight, you can do whatever you want with the rest of your hair, but this just gives it kind of the pulled together look. So this is braid 1. I was struggling a little bit over here. I'd lost the pieces that I was braiding. Now secure that with a small elastic. I just used the little black rubber elastics. And once that's secure, there's the first braid. You're going to move on to the second braid. So you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side as well. I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly. Or so I thought I was going to do it quickly. Just fast forwarding right through this. And now I'm tying it. This hairstyle is not quite as quick as the other hairstyle I just recently posted. The other one literally took like a minute to do. This one's about 5 minutes of your time. So if you have 5 minutes, then you can do this. Now you're going to take your top layer down. And what you're going to do is part what you want to keep forward and what you want to go behind. So here I'm putting what I want back and putting what I want forward. And I'm just bringing that right over to the other side. And you're going to secure it with a bobby pin. And you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm kind of lining them up so it gives a thicker band look. And I'm securing it to the other side. Now you just fix the hair that is left down. You can fluff it up, you can tease it, you can do whatever you want, whatever look you want. The whole idea of this hairstyle is just to have that braided headband look. And that is it. That's all that you need to do. So I thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and like this video. And if you have comments, leave them down below. Thanks, guys.